friends, welcome back to a little bit of us. ഇന്നത്തെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ യാത്ര വട്ടക്കോട്ടയിലേക്കാണ്. The circular fort in Kanyakumari. The first visual I want to share with you is this. ഈ ഫോർട്ടിൻ്റെ പേര് വട്ടക്കോട്ട എന്നാണ്, which is also known as circular fort, but actually it's not circular, it's a rectangular marvel. ഇതിൻ്റെ പുറകിലെ കഥ വളരെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് ആണ്. Captain Delanoy has supervised the construction of this fort also as per the historians. മാത്രമല്ല ട്രാവൻകൂർ ഗവൺമെൻറ്റിൻ്റെ ഏറ്റവും അവസാനത്തെ കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ഫോർട്ടാണ് ഈ വട്ടക്കോട്ടയിൽ. Now a piece of history for us to visit and revisit. It looks super cool, super blue. പക്ഷെ നല്ല വെയിലാണ്, നട്ടപ്പൊരി വെയിലായി. ഒരു 10-11 മണി ആയിട്ടേ ഉള്ളൂ. വെള്ളത്തിന്റെ കളർ കണ്ടോ? ടെർക്കോയിസ് ബ്ലൂ എന്ന് പറയില്ലേ, ആ ഷെയ്ഡാ. അന്നക്കുട്ടി പിണങ്ങി നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. For some reasons. Vattakottai was built in 18th century during the reign of the Travancore dynasty, and this is the last fort built by the Travancore kingdom. In the Battle of Kolachal, Captain Eustachius Delanoy's army was defeated and taken over by the Travancore army. But in the due course, Delanoy earned the respect and trust of the king Martandavarma, and he was given the entire responsibility of building this fort as one of the defense projects for the Travancore dynasty.
You can hear the sound of the ocean.
Though it's a rectangular fort, it is named as circular fort or Vattakottai, maybe because it gives a 360-degree view of the surroundings. The panoramic view of the Bay of Bengal and the imposing hills of Western Ghats, the bright blue skies filled with cotton clouds and plains of beach with glistening black sand makes this place a fascinating destination. What step is that?
From Encanto. Dolores step. The other countries might have traveled through the sea to attack our country. So I think the kings built this fort to protect us.
Many walls of this fort have carved in them motifs of fish. A similar fish motif was extensively used by the Pandya kingdom. This led the archaeologists to believe that the fort must also have been in the rule of Pandya Empire.
You are going faster than me.
ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ ഫോർട്ട് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ആർക്കിയോളജിക്കൽ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിൻ്റെ കീഴിലാണ്. മെയിൻലി ഇത് ഗ്രാനൈറ്റ് സ്ലാബ്സ് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഫോർട്ടാണ്. ഒരു 2-3 hours is more than enough to visit this place. Hardly 7 kilometers from Kanyakumari. Half a day worth spending here and overlooking the beautiful, majestic, breathtaking, alluring, ഏറ്റവും മനോഹരമായിട്ടുള്ള ബംഗാൾ ഉൾക്കടലിലേക്ക് ഫേസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഫോർട്ട്. പുറകിൽ വെസ്റ്റേൺ ഘാട്ട്സ്, ഈ സൈഡിൽ ഓൺ മൈ റൈറ്റ് ബംഗാൾ ഉൾക്കടൽ, ദ ബേ ഓഫ് ബംഗാൾ, ആൻഡ് എ പീസ് ഓഫ് ഹിസ്റ്ററി ഫോർ യു. അന്നേരം എന്താ എന്നോട് ചോദിക്കാനുള്ളത്?
Well, I want to ask, can anybody get out of this fort to the sea?
There is a secret tunnel also here. You want to see?
Yeah.
Chalo. When I told her there is a secret passage, all her tantrums vanished and she is back into her happy self. But right now this tunnel doesn't exist. It got blocked many years back.
Where is the tunnel?
Araku coffee? Who gave you this cap?
Ammu. And speaking of Ammu, she's coming day after tomorrow. Yeah.
Spread on 3.5 acres of land by the sea, surrounded by 25 feet tall walls, this majestic structure was built to withstand the force of the sea and also stop the enemy troops. The front walls of the fort is 29 feet thick, the side walls 18 feet thick, and the inner walls are no less than 6 feet wide. No wonder this fortress has sustained more than 2 centuries. The entire structure is constructed of enduring and beautiful granite blocks. This massive fort is fully equipped with watchtowers, equipment rooms, army cantonments and provisional facilities to help the army survive the attacks of the enemy. And it's also said that the fort gave a crystal clear view of the Padmanabhapuram palace from the top. Not just that, there is a 4 feet wide secret tunnel inside the fort that leads straight to the palace. The purpose of the tunnel was to allow the king and his family a quick escape in the event of an invasion or an emergency. A part of Vattakottai extends down into the sea. Historians believe that the fort was primarily built to watch and protect the Kanyakumari port, which was a rich pearl harbor. If you have time, do get down to explore the black sand beach near Vattakottai, which is a perfect location for spending time with your friends and family.
You look funny in the hat. This pillar is cold. Thank you for watching A Little Bit of Us. Like, share and subscribe to A Little Bit of Us. Bye guys. Bye from Kanyakumari. And bye from